करियर को आप डिस्क्राइब करेंगे और आगे के जो मैचों में जिस तरह टीम का कॉम्बिनेशन बना हुआ है तो क्या आप उनका बाकी मानदा जो मैचेस हैं उसमें क्या नज़र आ रहा है कि टीम में उनकी जगह बन रही है, किस तरह उनका फ्यूचर आप
I think Shoaib Akhtar took a right decision, I must say. Then I can't translate in English for others, man. No. शोएब अख्तर का अपना डिसीजन था और मेरे ख्याल में जो भी डिसीजन लिया उसने अपने आप को देख के बेहतर लिया होगा. मेरे ख्याल में काफ़ी उसकी बॉलिंग की वजह से काफ़ी पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट टीम काफ़ी मैचेस जीती, काफ़ी उसने परफॉर्मेंसेस दिए और मेरे ख्याल में एक अच्छी एग्जांपल सेट की उसने. वरना नॉर्मली पाकिस्तान में क्रिकेट सेलेक्टर निकाल देते हैं, ख़ुद नहीं छोड़ता प्लेयर. लेकिन ये है कि उसने बड़ा अच्छा डिसीजन लिया अपनी फ़िटनेस को देख के, अपने आप को देख के. और जहाँ तक आगे की मैचों की बात है सो मेरे ख्याल में कम्बिनेशन फ़िलहाल अभी देखें, ज़रूरत पड़ेगी तो लाजमी खिलाएंगे उसको.
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm coming. Yeah, hold on. Well, I think Shoaib Akhtar took a right decision. He really performed well because of his spell. I think Pakistan won a lot of series and I think he done a great job. And maybe we will see at the moment the combination is good. So if we need him, we'll definitely give him a chance in further games.
Shahid, related to Shoaib, what do you think about the timing of his decision in the middle of the tournament? Obviously, it was quite apparent that he was set to retire, but like before a crucial match against Australia, some people are questioning the timing of the decision. You think, is the timing right? And secondly, when the match tomorrow takes place, what do you see? Do you think that Ahmed Shahzad still is a liable option for you after his repeated failures in the tournament?
I think Shoaib Akhtar, I don't think it's a bad timing. Timing. Maybe he can decide it after a World Cup as well. But I think it's up to him. And you ask about Ahmed Shahzad, so maybe we'll do some changing in the opener. Yeah.
Sumitra?
Shahid, Shomitra Bose from ESPN Star Sports. I'm saying that my first question is, were you surprised that when Shoaib Akhtar was part of the World Cup squad? One. Two is, kind of temperamental fast bowler that he is, do you think he was slightly hurt when you dropped him from the last match?
I think Shoaib Akhtar is the thing we pick him in the side because we know it's early and it's easy to get the reverse swing in this condition in subcontinent especially, and he know how to bowl with the old ball and new ball as well, and he really worked hard for this World Cup. And sorry for your second question, what you asked?
My second question is that, do you think a person like him who is very temperamental and emotional...
I don't think so. He know that whatever the decision is good for the team, so he never told anything like he's upset and this. I think he's enjoying himself. If he's playing or if he's not playing, he's enjoying.
Afridi, as per previous record of the Abdul Razak against Australia, have you any special strategy about the Abdul Razak to use against Australia? And secondly, being a captain, how do you feel that the Shoaib's decision will affect the morale of the team?
तुम्हारी मेरी इंग्लिश एक ही जैसी है, समझ नहीं आया, दोबारा पूछना भाई. उर्दू सवाल तो पूछो जरा दोबारा. I don't think Shoaib Akhtar's decision affect the team, and Abdul Razak, I think he's doing a great job. He's the match winner, and I believe he can, because of his performance, we can win any game and any time.
Shahid, you had a look at the surface today before you came to the press conference. What do you make of the pitch for tomorrow's match?
Let's see. On this stage, it's look like a little bit wet, but they have a couple of hours before the game, so maybe tomorrow will be a new face. Tomorrow will be change.
Foreigner?
Afridi, tomorrow is a big game for you all. Where do you see the strength of Australia? What are the problems you are going to look at Australia when you play them tomorrow?
I think Australian, they are very professional. They got a good batting side. They got a good bowling side as well. They know how to bowl reverse swing, especially when the Bradley come back and the Sean Tate as well. And I think they know how to use this condition as well. But we know our strength as well. We know how to tackle and how to deal with these guys. So we are well prepared for these guys.
शायद 1999 में आप लोगों ने रज़ाक को यूज़ किया टीम ने अपर ला के वन डाउन पे थोड़ा सा चेंजिंग, लेकिन मीडिया भी कह रहा है, क्रिकेटर्स भी कह रहे हैं कि थोड़ी सी बैटिंग लाइन में आपको तब्दीली करनी चाहिए, कुछ थोड़े एक्सपीरियंस मतलब एक्सपेरिमेंट आपको करना चाहिए, बट वही सेम जिस तरीके से बैटिंग लाइन आ रही उस तरीके से आ रही, तो आप क्या समझते हैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया के खिलाफ को थोड़ा सा आप ट्राई करेंगे किसी चीज़ को?
मेरे ख्याल में I think we did a lot of experiment before World Cup and this is not the right time to do some experiment more. I think we will go with the same combination.
Shahid, Australia has won 34 matches in a row, have been unbeaten since 1999. What do you think are the strengths of the Australian team? Why they keep winning all the time, and how do you you can stop their winning streak tomorrow?
I think we made some plan against these guys. I think they are, I told you before, I mentioned before that they are very strong mentally and physically. They are very strong, and I think their combination is very good. And but we made some plan, and you will see tomorrow in the game. Definitely, we will do something new against these guys. And this game is very, very important for us to be come on a good position in our group. And I think if inshallah we win this game, so we will definitely go in a quarterfinal with good attitude, good positive attitude.
Arif?
Shahid, Sri Lanka played with 3 spinners against Australia in the surface. So do you consider something like this?
We already got 3 spinners, myself, Rahman and Hafiz. You want one more?
शायद प्रैक्टिकली कैसे चांसेस देख रहे हैं पाकिस्तान के जीतने के कल के मैचेस?
I'm very positive, inshallah. We definitely will do well.
Shahid, just very simple, easy question. Is Umar Akmal fit and available for selection for tomorrow's game? Umar Akmal.
Yeah, he's fit.
His finger injury is completely
enough,
cleared up.
Yeah.
Question there?
शायद एक तो क्वेश्चन ये है कि शोएब अख्तर का जो झगड़ा हुआ था कामरान अकमल से कैच ड्रॉप होने पे, उसके बाद कामरान अकमल तो टीम में रहे, शोएब अख्तर नहीं रहे, तो क्या एक वजह ये है कि वो डिसहार्ट हो के उन्होंने इसका फैसला किया रिटायरमेंट का? दूसरा मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि अब्दुल रज़ाक को 7वें 8वें नंबर पे शुरू से खिलाया जा रहा है, आप नहीं समझते कि अब्दुल रज़ाक का जो पोटेंशियल है उसको ज़ाया किया जा रहा है 7वें 8वें नंबर पे खिला के?
Shoaib Akhtar and between Kamran Akmal, nothing happened, nothing serious. I don't want to give you any breaking news. And I think Razak is doing a great job on his position, wherever we need. As a batsman, he performed well on the batting number 6, 7, wherever we need him for a quick run. So definitely we'll give him a chance up in the order.
Last 4 questions now.
Shahid, you've said that you obviously are looking like perhaps you'll be fielding 3 spinners tomorrow again, which looks like you, Hafiz and Rahman. But a lot of people who think that Saeed Ajmal perhaps can be an attacking option, and we perhaps need somebody who can take wickets besides you, since Rahman is more of a steady bowler who can contain runs at best, hasn't taken many wickets either, while Saeed has a great record.
I think you can't take chances from both sides for a wicket, And I think if we give a chance with the Rahman and with Rahman we give a chance to Saeed Ajmal, so our batting will be very thin. So we're trying to keep our batsmen till number 6, number 7. So we have a very good combination at the moment, so we want to carry it.
Sumitra?
Shahid bhai, you said that you want to finish in a good position in your group. What is this group position? Would you like to play India in the quarterfinals?
At the moment, I'm thinking about myself, my team. We're just thinking about the tomorrow game. We try to finish it with the happy ending in the group. So I don't know where we're playing against India or whoever.
Would you play Kamran Akmal as an opener? There's been suggestions from some of your
We can, yeah, definitely we can do it. Yeah.
शाहिद, असद शफीक ने जो परफॉर्मेंस दी है पिछले मैच में, क्या आप समझते हैं कि नेक्स्ट मैच में उसकी कोई जगह बनती है असद शफीक के बाद?
तो उसने मेरे ख्याल में अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस की, तो जगह नहीं बननी चाहिए.
तो आप
he performed well, so definitely he will play next game. Yeah.
Last 2 questions now. One, and any other takers? No?
जी शाहिद, आप ये बताइए कि कल के मैच में जो टॉस है वो कितना इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करेगा, और अगर आप टॉस जीत जाते हैं तो बैटिंग को ऑप्ट करेंगे या फील्डिंग?
Toss not decided the game, but I think toss is important as well. And let's see. I can't tell you what I will gonna do. Yes.
Lovely. Thank you very much. Thank you, Shahid.